This is the Academy 172nd B-17F Memphis Belle, and we'll show you some of the screws here. I haven't opened it up yet. I've had it for at least 6 months, but I have not opened it up yet. So I'll open it up when I get to this kit and show you each individual sprue when I do that. But this looks like a really nice kit. Probably the most pieces, besides maybe the Revell Top Gun Maverick movie set that I have. There's the other sprue. There's several sprues in each bag, and then several sprues attached to other sprues in each bag. So it's going to be a difficult build for me anyway. I consider myself a beginner because I haven't done this until the last year or so, since I was a kid. And that was a long time ago, trust me, when I was a kid. So let's just say retirement age. Here's the wings, they're huge compared to what I've worked on. What's really cool is seeing the actual different sizes in the same scale, you know, 1/72nd, and depending on what it looked like in real life, you know, then they'll be smaller, bigger than something else. And here's the instructions. There's the first step. I don't know if this is one of those fold-out things. It looks like, yeah, it must be, because that looked like a painting thing. Yeah, because here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow, is that all there are? Really? For so many pieces? Huh, I guess so. It's still going to be difficult for me. Anyway, I guess these are the different schemes which I'll have to read up on and see what I want to do, or whether I want to do something completely different. I probably won't do anything too different. It used to be, and here are the sprues. It used to be here in Memphis on display, and now, if I'm not mistaken, it's in the Smithsonian, because it was taken and was refurbished several years ago. I'm almost sure that's correct information. And then here are the decals in here somewhere. Check your parts lists for unsealing. Here's some tools. I need to get I need to get a new pair of these that's meant for sprues. I need to get a set of one of these, and I've got some scissors. And then here's the decal for it. I don't know when I'll get to it, but it'll be hopefully sometime in 2024. Well, I hope you enjoyed it.